Hello, YouTuber woobers. So these are BioBricks. I get them in these packets of what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 20 blocks per package. About $6.75. I'm gonna go pick up another 10 packages today, and they weigh about 40 pounds each. I could stack them up there at the stove. This stack is actually a year old at least. And they're really easy to work with. I've gotten a lot of comments on my previous video about these blocks. Oh, that I should be using wood from the forest. Well, that means I gotta go cut a tree down, cut it up, bring it back to the house, split it, stack it for a year, then pick it up again and carry it over, stack it near my house, and bring it in clumps at a time. Yeah, or this is using sawdust that's from mills that are already cutting trees into planks and plywood and particle board and all that other stuff. So it's taking something that might go to a landfill and making use of it. So for an old fart like myself, this stuff works great.